Ok, ons is besig om so min of meer uit die moeilikheid uit te kom. Parys lê daai kant toe, maar ons gaan Sasolburg toe. Ons draai weer Sasolburg toe, dis daai kant toe. Wat oop is. Ek is 'n bietjie moeg vir hierdie gemors oor my. Ek wens ek sal by daai silo's. Paul hulle is bietjie voor my. Ons het ander idees gehad en toe ek agter geraak. Maar nee ja. Hoopelik is ons nou op die grond by Sasolburg.
Just trying to find the airfield. I'll let you guys know. Just be careful. I know there's a danger area here.
Now I'm just towards the west of the danger area. I'm just skimming it. You guys are clear there where you are.
Delta Lima Yankee, you got a visual on me?
Stand by.
Supposed to be overhead, but I don't see anything.
Give us your intention. Hotel Golf, give us your intention.
I'm going to land at Sasolburg the moment that I can see the airfield.
I think it's at your behind you. It is to the south.
To the south. Okay, I'll turn around again.
Okay guys, Echo Hotel Golf, you're now heading directly towards me about a couple of 100 feet under me. I'm going to wait for Charlie Hotel Golf to circle behind you and then I'll come in number 3 as we look for this elusive airfield.
Well, I don't have the airfield visual.
You've got it?
I think I got it. I must have a look here. It must be an airfield, so I'm almost over at the airfield.
Okay, Charlie Hotel Golf, I'm coming in, I am 12 o'clock high over Echo Hotel Golf. I'm going to come in on this 4 o'clock.
VFR traffic in the Ventersdorp area, Delta X-ray Zulu, currently at 7,500 feet, routing to Rustenburg. Any conflicting traffic, please acknowledge.
I see a lot of roads and no airfield.
Airfield is right underneath me, but I'm not sure if it's still in use. Let's just have a proper look. Guys, I'm going to descend to a lower level just to have a check on the airfield.
Ja, nou sien ek jou, Paul, ek sien jou nou.
Airfield wat lyk soos die airfield is reg onder my.
Okay, as jy dink as die airfield gaan land, ek sien jou, ek vlieg reg na jou toe. Paul, sien jy kom nou agter my in, nek?
Ek het 'n visual ek gevolg heb.
Right, ek het vir Paul voor my. Ek gaan kyk wat maak hy. Charlie Hotel Golf, you can land at your discretion if you think it is the airway or the runway, just let us know please.
Approximately 10 nautical miles from Rustenburg.
Hey, Marco, sien jy vir Blue Max?
Negatief, waar zijn?
Jy sien my, nek?
Ja.
Ek gaan nou basies reg door Blue Max vlieg, binne die volgende 30 secondes.
Dink jy daar is 'n runway?
Lyk vir my so. Pas op net vir die drade hier so by die spoorlyn.
Ek sien hulle.
Hierdie was 'n runway gewees. Dink ek, weet nie. Lyk vir my maar baie rof.
Net kyk.
Luister, ons is 'n stuk mooi grondpad suid van die silo's. As ons nie runway kry nie, land ons daar. Hierdie geld daarom as 'n noodtoestand.
Ja, ek
Ek gaan reg deur die Silu's en gaan kyk wat gaan op daai grondpad.
Okay, I'm towards the west of the silos. There's a big road here. I'm just gonna go low for an inspection. Seems like a good place to do emergency landing.
I'm directly over the silos at this stage, 5,800. I've got a visual on you.
To the right of track and it's solid. I think we should laugh this and let it lift.
Okay, this road looks fine. There's no wires, no nothing. So I'm gonna turn around and land on it.
Yeah, okay, do a low flyby just for my sake, just make sure about the wires before you commit.
Ja, nee, ons is nou besig hier met noodlandings nie, voorsorgmaatreël landings. Ons kry nie runway nie, want ek het gehoor van die hand.
Ek daar golf you copy.
Copy.
Jy op die grond.
Yes.
Right, ons kan ons op afvat sien jy.
Yeah, but also there's a slightly high fence to the south, so just make sure you stay on the road, but it's safe enough to land.
Okay, copy, this is the elderly Mayaki committee for a long finals precautionary landing. Paul, sien jy my? Sien jy albei? Okay, so met nice copy on it.
Right, ons is gecommit vir 'n precautionary op hierdie grondpad. Maar dit pas op vir die wild.
Traffic in the central general flying area, Papa Romeo Foxtrot, 7,500 feet. We are approaching Odie from the south.
En touchdown. En ons missie toegeteken. Nice.
Paul, pas op dit vir die verkeerstekens langs die pad. Copy.